Yo, what is up, guys? In this video, I am going to be reviewing this Red Dragon keyboard, mechanical keyboard. I know you can't see it, but it's called a Red Dragon K552 mechanical keyboard. It's a red switch mechanical keyboard, and it's really good. So all I'm gonna do, since you can't see it, I'm just gonna press the keys and review most of it, and I'll even do like a like typing test. You can hear it right now. So it kind of sounds it doesn't really sound good, but it sounds actually, I'd admit, it sounds pretty good. What I like is how there's like a lot of cool settings for the color. You can change it to make really cool colors and patterns and just stuff like that. And here I will type stuff. Here. There we go. I gotta press. So there we go. And then we can just go. So yeah, it's really good. I also got hold on. Yo, never gonna give you up. Let's go. Get Rick rolled. Get Rick rolled. Ha 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 ha. Another cool thing about it is that you can take off the keys. You can like take off the keycaps. They are pryable, so you're gonna just pry them off. And they're kind of hard at first to pry off, but then after a while, after like 3 seconds of like tugging on it, it finally just like comes off. But yeah, they're like really cool. They're easy to put back on and easy to take off. Somewhat easy to take off. But yeah, they have the customizable keycaps. So like you can make your own stuff on the keycaps and take them off. I just took off the left arrow key and now I'm putting it back on. Wow, it's easy to. All you have to do, you don't even have to like click the keycap to put it back on. Like you don't have to wait for a click. You can just like push it down once and then it's like easy. So I'm putting it down right there. Easy. It's already on. Here is the enter key, backspace, and y'all are probably right now like screaming at me. Y'all are probably like, do the space bar. So I will. Here it is. Yeah, it sounds kind of bad, but when you do it, like when you just press the keys slowly, you don't really like hear them. Like here, I'll play a game real quick. No, not cat and people. Cat and knife ability test. I love that game so much. Ignore my exploits, please. Yo, what is going on? Oh great, we got a freaking hacker, bro. We got a hacker. We got a hacker. Hold on. I love this game cuz like it's really good to just do it. I like using this game for like tests, you know, like testing out my stuff. It's just playing a literal base plate. So look, you can hear the keys. You can hear the keys. Hello, Hyper Knight.